Are you preparing for the U.S. driving theory test and not sure where to start? You're in the right place. In this video, we briefly cover the most important topics and tricky road signs that will help you pass the test on your first attempt. You'll find everything you actually need to prepare for the DMV test and other written exams. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss new uploads. Want to feel confident and stress-free on test day? Stay with us. Let's get started. Question 1. This sign means D. Road work. Question 2. This sign means no entry.
C.
Question 3. When is passing on the right allowed? B. When the vehicle ahead is turning left. Question 4. This sign means full stop. D. Question 5. What does a double solid line mean? A. Crossing is prohibited. Question 6. This sign means C. Sidewalk. Question 7. When must you stop at a stop sign? B. Always make a complete stop. Question 8. This sign means roundabout. A. Roundabout. Question 9. What does a yellow traffic light mean?
D. Stop if it is safe.
Question 10. This sign means A. Bike lane. Question 11. This sign means slippery road. A. Question 12. When must you yield to pedestrians?
C. Always at crosswalks.
Question 13. This sign means D. No entry. Question 14. When is it allowed to use a mobile phone while driving? A. Hands-free only. Question 15. This sign means A. Traffic control. Question 16. When the road is slippery, the braking distance is C. Longer. Question 17. This sign means no parking. D. Question 18. When should you turn on your headlights? C. In fog and rain. Question 19. This sign means D. Roundabout. Question 20. This sign means railroad crossing. A. Question 21. This sign means C. Tram. Question 22. This sign means one way.
C.
Question 23. What is a safe following distance behind another vehicle? B. 2 to 3 seconds. Question 24. This sign means C. Wild animals. Question 25. This sign means pedestrian crossing. B. Question 26. When is a U-turn allowed? C. If not prohibited by a sign. Question 27. This sign means A. Parking. Question 28. This sign means road work. B. Question 29. What should you do if your vehicle skids? B. Steer in the direction of the skid. Question 30. This sign means D. Mandatory right turn. Question 31. This sign means speed limit. B. Question 32. A red traffic light means C. Complete stop. Question 33. This sign means C. Do not enter this roadway. Question 34. When must you yield at a yield sign? C. When other traffic is present. Question 35. This sign means A. Slippery road. Question 36. When must you stop for a school bus with flashing lights? A. Always. Question 37. This sign means C. Stop. Question 38. What does the speed limit sign indicate? D. Maximum allowed speed. Question 39. This sign means B. Hospital. Question 40. What does a flashing red light mean? B. Stop like a stop sign. Question 41.
This sign means C.
You may go straight. Question 42. At a four-way stop, who has the right-of-way? C. The driver who arrives first. Question 43. What should you do if you have a tire blowout? B. Hold the steering wheel steady and slow down. Question 44. What does a solid white line mean? B. It is recommended not to cross. Question 45. When should you use your turn signal? D. Before turning. Question 46. What does a sign with a red circle and a slash mean? A. Prohibition. Question 47. Who has the right-of-way at an uncontrolled intersection? A. The driver on the right. Question 48. This sign means D. Fuel station available ahead, service sign. Question 49. When must you pull over to the right and stop? B. When an emergency vehicle approaches. Question 50. When is a U-turn allowed? C. If not prohibited by a sign.